Is your non-Windows app crashing because of the Iw4x.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. To start fixing Iw4x manually, you can also consider the official maintenance toolkit for a more stable system state. This DLL file is the main client library for the Iw4x mod, a community-driven multiplayer project for Call of Duty, Modern Warfare 2. It provides dedicated server support, custom maps, and improved security for the legacy game. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. The Iw4x.dll is typically installed with Steam. Reinstalling the latest official version of Steam from the official source will restore any missing or corrupted application files, including the Iw4x. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Iw4x file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Safety is paramount. Never attempt to replace the Iw4x.dll with binaries found on unverified download portals that lack quality control and often distribute files incompatible with modern Windows security updates. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. If manual fixes haven't helped, the resource below offers general information about optimization software related to the Iw4x. If your workstation is back online and the Iw4x is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.